needs to stop obsessing over their gadgets. We need to turn them off, limit how much we use them. As of tonight, I'm instituting the blueprint of restriction impacting non-essential gadgets.
That's boring.
Captain, give it a chance.
No, the initials. Blueprint of restriction.
Impacting non-essential gadgets.
B-O-R-I-N-G.
The electricity savings alone will be worth it. I'll be giving up my tablet, which is fine since I hardly use it anyway. The whole system will be shut off for the evening. Every gadget disconnected and deactivated.
Digit's not happy about being turned off. To be honest, I'm not too happy about having to do my push-ups one-handed either. What? I exercise.
Digit, you'll be fine. You're not equipment. You're personnel. Part of a person. But we will turn off your phone. No texting during boring hours. I really shouldn't have called it that.
Too close to prestiging for this, McLaren.
I can do the one-handed. I just like to make him feel involved.
Please, everyone. This will be good for us. We'll relax easier. We'll bond as a team. And it'll help us get back to full health. This is going to be wonderful. Everything okay in here without your gadgets?
No. Digit's off with Chef Din Din since they can't text. They're hanging out in the diner.
Chef Din Din's.
D-I-D-I. Digit.
And that leaves you...
Literally short-handed, yeah. Look at that button. Now I have to really stretch for it. Oh. Exhausting. And because the boring switch off includes the autopilot, I've already missed out on my first nap of the evening.
You nap while I'm employing you to fly the Jefferson spaceship?
No. How's life without your tablet?
Oh, it's no inconvenience. Every time I remember something I need to do on it, I make a note to remind myself. Oh, I need the designers to double-check the souvenir T-shirts. Last time they said Nova Jones's number bum. And, are you okay without the sat-nav for directions?
McLaren, I am a highly trained, decorated and redecorated space captain. In my younger days, we didn't rely on all this tech. We navigated by the stars.
Great, thanks, Captain.
Has someone been moving these stars?
You can't cancel my tour. It's not fair. I'll cancel your tour.
We've no choice. You've lost it. You can't sing, you can't dance.
What about my fashion sense?
Well, you're still wearing ludicrous clothes, but you've lost the ability to pull it off.
But I'm the talent. The talent. Without talent, I'm just the nothing. The nothing. Like you.
I've got talent. I'm using my talent to help find your talent.
That's not talent. That's... What do you know talents call it? Work. Without talent, I'll have to work.
Wait, if you've lost your talent, then it's bound to be about someplace. We just need to find it.
That sounds like work.
Not with the help of the greatest talent spotter in the universe.
You're really keen to use that pointer, aren't you?
It's got 12 colours. Captain, plot a course for Universe Has Talent.
Hang on, do we really have to go there? You know, if you ask me, the host just feeds off other people's talents.
You've mentioned it.
And nobody asked you.
They never do.
Prepare to beam up the host.
You're right to call on me. I'll be sure to spot Nova's lost talent in no time.
It's imperative we locate it. I refuse to be the tour manager who managed to cancel a tour.
Oh, wow. Sure looks like it'll be quite the tour. Just imagine being up there in the limelight by yourself.
Help!
Help, I'm too awesome. Turning up the heat. Help, I'm too awesome. Can you feel this beat?
Curious. You sound like Robbie Comet.
Oh, yeah. Maybe someday, but Lady Limelight hasn't shone on me just yet.
No, just like Robbie Comet. I mean, good Robbie Comet, not bagpipes in a blender Robbie Comet.
Well, you can't be around all this talent without picking up a little bit yourself, you know. Plus, I'm a sucker for a good tune.
Sucker? Hang on. Robbie Comet was great until you put your suckers on. And Nova was amazing until you did the same thing. The captain was right. You do feed off others' talents.
Brilliant problem solving, McLaren. You really have quite the talent. And now, I've got it.
That host seems lovely. I can't see any reason why anyone would dislike him or his show.
But since you asked,
I didn't.
I was the best pilot in a dozen worlds. Everyone said so. Horizontal parking, 8-point turns. It was my big talent.
That's work. Doesn't count as talent, but whatever.
Everyone insisted that I go on his show, that my talent for driving a ship was too great to waste. So I plucked up the nerve and I went to audition.
You didn't win.
I crashed on the way to the venue. Right, that's it. That's it. Out. D&D time. Out.
Liar.
D&D time. I don't care. Get out. Get out.
No.
Cap alone time. Out. Get out. D&D cap time. That's the end of it. Enough.
D&D? What's that stand for? What's happening to me? I don't. What's going on? Let's do. What's happening to me?
I've absorbed your talent for problem solving. You see, I'm sick of judging those snivelling pop stars from the sidelines. It should be me up there, bathed in adoration. I thought with Nova Jones's talent it could be, but with your talent of organization, I now see I'm gonna need the abilities of everyone who makes her shows run so smoothly.
Come on, even my fingers are uncoordinated now.
All right, one more try. You ready? Oh, once more. Concentrate. Yes. 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 Pasta?
Maybe the captain's right, Digit. Maybe I don't have focus. Maybe I am too distracted. Maybe this pasta needs more sauce.
Help me! I'm confused. I'm trapped in a wardrobe of confusion. Finally, going for a new look. I don't like it.
Don't mention my hair.
The host is a talent-sucking alien. He sucked our abilities.
Captain was right. The host really does suck.
And he's after everyone on board.
Did you see Johnny Key's face? No one's talking about him now. They're talking about me. He must be so testy.
Nova, Scuffle Clang was Sid's thing.
No, it's my thing. Here you go. How did you even win? You've never played a game of Scuffle Clang in your life. I'm Nova Jones. I can do anything. Also, this wildly expensive scuffle suit may have helped. You got a special jumpsuit. This isn't just any jumpsuit. It's artificially intelligent. It pretty much plays on its own. Plus...
Nova! Wait up, love.
Meet Coach Winifred.
Winnie's the best. She can turn a potato into a scuffleista. And I'm not a potato. I'm Nova Jones.
Now, Nova dear, you won your birth match, which is great. But you didn't win by nearly enough. Get up and get me 20.
Yes, coach. But with the coach, the equipment, you're just buying victory.
Yeah. It's a winning strategy. And I love winning. Like I love cats. With an irrational fire.
But this isn't fair. Not every player can have all this special stuff. Some just have to use...
Hey, Nova! I just wanted to say, brilliant job on winning.
I don't think you should be doing this, Sid. Nova's a rival. Team Nova, did you? Definitely shouldn't be doing that.
But Nova's my friend. I just wanted to let her know she played well.
Aww. Thanks, Sid. I did play well, didn't I? Way better than you.
Nova!
I smashed my game, and Sid pretty much lost his. He's definitely gonna lose his next game. Why'd you even play on?
Sid won because he tried hard and he loves Scuffle Clang. He's not doing it for the likes or to get back at Johnny.
Also, no idea. Winners need losers to lose. And winners can win.
Oh, right. Carry on, Sid. Lose away.
Sid's not going to lose. He'll win his next match. And the next one. And the one after that.
Is he?
Yeah, no sure I is.
Yes, you is. Oh, because I'm going to coach you. You can't do that.
You're my manager.
Plus, I said that I'm gonna coach Sid.
We'll coach them together. Come on.
McLaren Pod presents Nova 2.0.
Hello, my name is Nova Jones, and I want to rock your worlds.
That's Nova 2.0.
McLaren Pod had the 3D printer follow your directions to the letter, even the letters that spelled bad ideas.
I'm always happy when I'm insert activity here.
McLaren Pod detects a rise in the tantrometer.
But it's ridiculous. I came to this planet to sing songs and chew gummies. I don't like my new doll me. It's weird looking, it talks funny, it's pink where it should be shiny, it's shiny where it should be pink, its head looks nothing like me, and why is its hair better than mine?
McLaren Pod does not know what to do about this.
Your arm only moves when you want it to. And comes with a built-in fitness tracker. Right, let's go over here. Not gonna stop me going the wrong way? No? Well, what about this? Nothing. Fantastic. Look at you go.
You have been in one position for 7 minutes. Please move. Please move.
Well, I was rather comfy there, but... all right, clever loves. Oh, been a while since I moved all those bits at once.
I'm going live on Nova after nap time tonight. I was going to show off my new doll and its pants.
McLaren Pod is confused about how a doll can be underwear.
My design went all wonky, and now I can't launch it on telly like I wanted to. It's odd looking.
I'm gonna need bigger pom-poms.
All pom-pom waving will invalidate the warranty.
Let's be friends. Friendship is music to my ears. You don't even have proper ears. You're weird.
McLaren Pod, given the current crisis, perhaps now would be a good time to call the actual McLaren.
McLaren cannot take calls without angering the security bears. What is the crisis, please?
Nova's not happy, tantrometer-raisingly unhappy.
Did you say Nova's got nappies? Giant anteater-sized nappies?
No, I just have a beautiful accent. McLaren Pod, we need to get the tantrometer down.
McLaren Pod understands. Lowering tantrometer in 20, 19...
Start counting lower down.
1.
What happened?
Where'd my tantrum go?
McLaren Pod digitally drained off the tantrometer's frustration.
Flipping burgers. You can do that.
Drained it. Where did it go?
Into Nova 2.0, obviously. The Nova doll now contains Nova's tantrum rage.
Gah! I want things to be not like they are. Make things be not the same. McLaren! I want a door here. There should be a door.
A saddle? You haven't listened to any of my suggestions.
Ooh, you were making suggestions.
I can't wear this to the Comet Gala. It's too horsey.
Too horsey. The sorbient filler's completely clogged. There was 37 pairs of socks in there. If any of you feel like helping, that'd be super. No? Okay. More trees. They're all gone. Us, you're all looking a little sugar hyper. I'm sorry, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to say... I can't say it. Okay, fine. Yes! Oh, there are more treats.
This is the life, eh? Digit, a break from all the stresses and the strains.
You, underling. I need someone like you for a special task.
Underling? Me? Oh, yeah.
The Comet Gala's fashionably late period is coming to a close, with people asking, will Nova Jones instead turn up unfashionably early for next year?
Nova, what is taking so long? Almost done. Clothes Source is just about to reveal our new design.
Jeez. So, you, fetch my glasses. There, come on, clip, clop, giddy up.
Hey, McLaren, how are you?
Captain, what are you doing?
Your guest needed a table, so...
Right. Some dramatic reveal music, please. Calling kid songwriter. Nova, he's not coming, remember? Oh, yeah. I forgot. Oh, well, here's loss.
Oh, me back.
Now, Nina, I know you didn't want to look like a horse. Bit rude, but okay. I give you the opposite of a horse. There you go.
How is this the opposite of a horse?
Oh, isn't it obvious? You're a jockey.
Okay. We're done. You are the worst collaboration list ever. You ignore my ideas. You avoid work. You turn my crew into furniture. But do you know what the worst part is? You keep forgetting my name.
Oh, I can't collaborate. I never could. I thought this was a party invitation, not a job. But then it became my big chance for everyone to see Nova Jones in a clothes horse original. All I had to do was keep you busy until time was up, and then you'd forget about this ridiculous collab and leave me to my genius. But no! You had to be Little Miss Collaboration, and now I'm frustrated and everything I make is dreadful. So excuse me, I'm off to steal the sugar lumps from all the little bowls in the diner.